I am Hemu. Today I am going to learn about phases of moon with the help of Oreo Biscuit. This is our sun. This is our earth. We all know that the earth moves around the sun. This is our moon. The moon moves around the earth. But do you know that moon doesn't have its own light? When the moon is between the sun and the earth, we can't see the moon. This is called the new moon. After 2 to 3 days, we can see some part of the moon. This is called the crescent moon. After 2 to 3 days, we can see half of the moon. This is called first quarter. After 2 to 3 days, more than half of the moon is visible. This is called the waxing gibbous. After 2 to 3 days, we can see the full moon. This phase is called waxing phase. Now the moon begins its return journey from full moon to new moon. The moon is now losing light. After 2 to 3 days, we can't see some parts of the moon. This is called the waning gibbous. After 2 to 3 days, we can't see half of the moon. This is called last quarter. After 2 to 3 days, less than half of the moon is visible. This is called waning crescent. After 2 to 3 days, we can't see the moon. This is called the new moon. This phase is called waning phase. It enters the new moon phase again. These changing shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay home, save lives.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.